208 سواح من جنسيات متعددة وحدهم شغف اكتشاف الجزائر والقارب سيلفر كلاود الذي نقلهم من وبين شواطئها، وجمعتهم حديقة التجارب بالحامة من أستراليا أقصى شرق الكرة الأرضية إلى السواحل الغربية للولايات المتحدة مروراً بأوروبا.
We're from the States. We're from Oregon, which is right north of California.
Where are you from?
We're from California.
Australia. Australia. Oh. In England. England. Yeah.
اهتمام كبير وبحث عن التفاصيل وأسئلة يوجهها زوار الجزائر إلى دليلهم. هذا البلد الضاربة جذوره في التاريخ والذي أنبت تمراً وابتسامة على وجوه شعبه المضياف أسرت قلوب الضيوف.
Everybody also seems really friendly and nice. Like, I love that people were waving at us, which just was so nice and welcoming.
Most about people here.
The friendly,
Yeah,
friendly
everyone's
and kind
smiling. We're having a good time. It's very safe. We felt very welcomed. Everyone's been smiling and waving and just kind of cheering us to be here. So we're feeling very welcomed. Well, dates. I love the dates.
Coming to see a country that not many people have seen, more than anything else, a different culture, come and understand the culture here as well, and it's very welcoming, it's lovely.
ملامح الراحة والاستمتاع البادية على وجوه السياح متعددي الجنسيات كانت تمهيداً لإجابتهم عن سؤالنا حول تخطيطهم للعودة مستقبلاً لاستكشاف المزيد عن البلد القارة.
Come back and visit again?
Algeria.
Probably. Yeah.
Would you come back to Algeria?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
I think I would like to get to see more people, more houses, just kind of share how people live, understand. I mean, I think we just don't understand each other. So it would be really nice to just get to share ideas, smiles. I mean, it's good.
وأكثر من هذا حماسة عبر عنها هؤلاء السياح في الترويج لزيارة الجزائر بين معارفهم، فجمال الطبيعة وضيافة الشعب إضافة إلى ثراء التراث جديرة بالزيارة والاستكشاف.
To come and see the difference between Australia and your country.
Algeria.
That it's beautiful and how kind the people are.
Yeah, certainly. We're going to have to tell them all about it. I'd recommend that people come here if they can. I know a lot of people that are interested in going to new places, and certainly they ought to have Algeria on their list. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.